All right, just a quick video on how to cite a chart or a graph. You're going to be required to put a chart or a graph in your research paper. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So again, I'm in a database. This time I chose Gale and Context Opposing Viewpoints. Say I'm going to do something about voting. That's going to be my keyword. And I want to look down and see all of the different things. We have statistics. We have 36 examples of statistics. So say, for example, healthcare costs and how they'll vote. We can click on this and we could say, you know what, I want to have this chart in my paper. So you would have to copy this chart. I use the snipping tool down here and I would just copy the chart like that, and then I would insert it into my paper. Once you have the chart inserted into your paper, you have to refer to it. You could say 40% of the people, as seen in the chart below or the chart above, 40% of people don't believe healthcare cost is very important, or whatever it is. Okay? But you still have to cite the chart in your works cited page. And the same thing, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that it's right here and it's already linked for you. You would just copy and paste it into your works cited, and then you just need to fix maybe the italics didn't come over correctly. You just have to make sure that all the formatting is correct. So you'll have to do that, and then you'll have to make sure that you have the capital letters right here. Fix that. So you just need to fix a couple of things, and then you'll have to do the hanging indent for right here. And I don't know where all of my stuff went to, so I can't. Oh, there it is. So you remember, you highlight this. Why is this doing that? You highlight this and then you go into paragraph and then you have the special and you select hanging. So that's how you cite a chart or a graph. I hope this helps.